welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix this type of error that is unable to locate Android SDK. Okay, so after installation the Flutter, when I write this command that is flutter space doctor, then it shows me this error that is unable to locate Android SDK. So how can I fix this? To fix is okay, the command is very simple. Here write the command that is, so basically we have to tell it the Android SDK path. Okay, so for this command is flutter and then config, then here dash dash Android dash SDK, and then after space here give the path of that SDK. Okay, for example my SDK is inside the Flutter installation and then the SDK. Okay, so give it that specific path, copy it, and here paste this specific path, and this is the forward slash for here. Okay, and this is 2 and inside my a. Okay, so the command is flutter config dash dash android dash SDK and then the path of the SDK. Press enter. Okay, here press enter, and it shows me that the setting Android SDK value to this path, and you may need to restart any open editor for them to read new changes. Okay, so you need to restart your editor for if you are using Android Studio or else. Okay, so that's it. If I again for example write the command that is flutter docker. Okay, so now let's see which type of errors now comes. Here you can see that the unable for this, basically unable to locate Android SDK is not resolved. So this is how you can fix this type of error. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.